Hey guys, welcome back to another Thunderbye Tronics video. In this video, I will be looking at an iPhone 11 that got water damaged. The screen got badly damaged by the water, but there may be other issues with the phone. Let's get started with the repair. I will remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone. Now I will put the phone on a heat plate for a couple minutes to soften the adhesive. Then I can use my suction cup tool to lift up on the screen, making a big enough gap for my pry tool to fit in. Then I can go around the edges of the screen, lifting up as I go. Once inside, I can disconnect the battery. As you can see, the water indicator has turned red, meaning that water has been inside the phone. Now, I will go ahead and remove the screen. It will definitely need to be replaced as it is totally destroyed. After some inspection, there doesn't seem to be any corrosion on the logic board, which is good. As you can see, the camera lenses have obvious moisture droplets on the inside of the lenses. I will go ahead and remove the camera and let it air out. Hopefully it will be salvageable. Now, instead of buying individual parts, I just bought an iCloud locked iPhone 11. That way, I have every part I need if there are any other issues with the phone. Now, I will disassemble the parts phone and remove the screen as it is going on the water damaged one. Now that I removed the screen, I will test it on the water damaged phone to make sure that it is still functioning fine. Thankfully, after installing the screen, everything seems to be working fine. Now I can disconnect the screen and finish up with the repair. I will put back the rear camera and its metal bracket. Now I will quickly clean the frame of the phone with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the old residue adhesive. Now I will apply the new screen adhesive. Then I will connect the screen connectors and the battery connector. And I can put all the brackets back where they came from. And we are done. This repair went pretty well. The back camera was perfectly fine as well. Unfortunately, Face ID was damaged by the water. Otherwise, the phone was perfectly fine. If you found this video entertaining, please make sure to leave a like. Peace.